Gas prices on the rise. We're all looking for more ways to save money at the pump. There are some devices out there that claim to do just that, but are they good deals or are they duds? Car care expert Lynn Beckwith, yes, she is a female mechanic, joins me today with the answers. We appreciate you coming in as always, Lynn. So
happy to be here.
Let's get started. Why did you bring in cookie cutters?
I know. They would make really pretty Christmas cookies.
There you go. What are these?
You know, there are so many devices that are all based on pretty good theories.
Okay.
Unfortunately, they don't all produce the results
that they claim. And you have put them to the test, Missy.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Both of these devices fit in between your air filter and your intake. And the concept is that as the air passes through, it spins, creates a vortex, and mixes with the fuel better, creates a better combustion, and consequently better fuel economy. Unfortunately, they only claim to improve gas economy by about 1 mile per gallon, which for the average driver is about $70 a year. So even if they did what they claim, they don't save you much money.
$70 though? All right, we don't know. And I don't have to install this, which I'm happy about.
They don't work.
All right, then what about these refrigerator magnets?
And that's what they are. They're high-powered magnets. There's all different types. Some of the magnet devices don't even claim to be magnets. They use all sorts of really big words to make you think there's something else. The concept is that they align the fuel molecules. And then the other magnets might claim they disaligned the molecules. The end result is that the fuel still has to get into the combustion chamber, and it really just doesn't make
Okay, so these are probably a dud then as well.
Dud as well.
All right, my dad has one of these. I have never used it. Tire pressure gauge.
One of the least expensive things you can buy. Keep your tires aired up to the proper pressure. And not only are you safer, but your fuel economy is going to go up typically by about 3%.
And this I can use because I just check it on my tire and then it pops up according to my pressure, and I check on the inside of my door and I can find what my vehicle requires.
Your manufacturer's required to post it. It's usually inside your door well, underneath the gas cap.
Okay, got it. I got that. What is this stuff? Power enhancer.
Yeah, actually, maintaining your vehicle. Fuel system, spark plugs, keeping your vehicle running the way the manufacturer intended it to run is one of the best things you can do. So
and this is going to help me with this?
This one's going to help.
What does this do?
These are all cleaners, and what they do is they keep your intake, they keep your combustion chambers, they keep the fuel that's running through clean and functioning properly. It's not that they're doing anything more than your car did when it was new. It's just bringing your car back up to
And what are these called?
It's all part of the fuel system service.
Okay, you got that?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, thanks so much, Lynn. We're out of time, but we've got through all of the products, and we do appreciate it, as always. Send it over.